Today's class of writing an application to the CDMO or Chief District Medical Officer against the outbreak of cholera in your locality. Now, what is CDMO? Before doing that, first of all we should do Brahmana. So let us do Brahmana. Now, welcome to the class of writing application to the CDMO against the outbreak of cholera in your locality. How to write an application to the CDMO against the outbreak of cholera in your locality. CDMO is a higher officer. How to write an application to him, that you should know. But before that, I would like to tell you what is CDMO. CDMO means the Chief District Medical Officer. The Chief District Medical Officer. When you are going to write an application to a high officer or a high official, don't write the short form of the place or the address or the name of the district or name of the place. Don't write the short form. But this is a designation, so this can be written in short form. Right? Now, let us see first of all what we should write when we are going to write an application to CDMO or to any other high official. Now, when you are going to write the application to the CDMO, first of all think that this whiteboard is a piece of paper, or this whiteboard is the page of your notebook. So, now at the right side top corner of the page, first of all you should write here the address without name and below that the date. Or you can say the place of writing and below that the date. So suppose you are from Lathi village. So what do you write? At Lathi, post Lathi, district Ganjam, date you should write like this: 28 July 2020. So this is the address and the date of writing. Now next to this, what you will write? The line in which the date is written, straight in that line you should write 2. So write 2 and don't put comma after writing 2. To the CDMO. To the CDMO. His official address will write here now. So to the CDMO, Brahmapur, 1, District Ganjam. So like this is the official address of the CDMO or the Chief District Medical Officer. You write the official address of the CDMO. Then you must write the application through somebody. And here, through whom you should write the application? Through the Sarpanch you should write the application. Because this is a village. And if it is a town, you can write the application through the corporator or through the ward member or through the councillor if it is an urban area. So now come to the point. Through the Sarpanch. Through the Sarpanch. Through the Sarpanch. Then what next you should write? You should write the subject. When you are going to write the subject, don't write the subject within bracket. Don't put bracket. So subject application for taking steps against the outbreak of cholera in your locality. So application for taking steps against the outbreak of cholera in your locality. This is the subject. Now you will have to write the salutation, that is sir. But before that, let me wipe the whiteboard. Now you will write the salutation, that is sir. Sir. When you are writing sir, remember when you are writing sir, S should be capital letter. S of the word sir should be capital letter. And capital letter of S depends on the size. The size of S should be bigger, and then small letter I and R. So then put a comma. So now see, sir, then comma, then in that line don't write anything. Below that line paragraphically write the body of the application. Now see, sir, we, then put comma, the villagers of Lathi, beg to inform you we, the villagers of Lathi, put comma here, we the villagers of Lathi beg to inform you that there is an outbreak of cholera. There is an outbreak of cholera. Like this you will continue writing the body of the application. An outbreak of cholera in our village or in our locality. Now You can write the body of letter like this. About 200 people, about 200 people have been affected by this killer disease, and even some of them have already died. This is in one paragraph. Then in the next paragraph you will write, this is the first paragraph. In the next paragraph you will write like this. In the next paragraph you will write, therefore, then put a comma. When you are writing the second paragraph of the body of the application, write therefore, then put a comma after therefore. Therefore, most respectfully, therefore most respectfully, we request you to be kind enough for taking steps to control the disease, to control the disease. To control the disease. Please provide medicines. Please provide medicines and treatment. Please provide medicines and treatment by sending your staffs to, like this you will write, the body of the application, the second paragraph of the body of the application. By sending your staff to our village for saving the lives of people at times. Like this, you will write the body of the application, or you can say the content of the application. So, you will write like this. Then, you will write the subscription or the closing part. Subscription or the closing part of the application. Closing part. Before writing the closing part and after completing the second paragraph, write thanking you or thank you, or thank you. Put a full stop here. Then the subscription or the closing part of the application should write like this: yours faithfully. Don't put comma here. Comma should be silent here. Don't put any comma here. So yours faithfully, XYZ. See, XYZ, why I wrote? Because you should not, any student should not write his or her name. Only symbolic name, that is XYZ or ABC or ZXY, whatever, it should be written like this. No, never write your name, your actual name. Suppose you are really writing an application to the CDMO, then in that case you can write. But this one, you are writing for the sake of learning, so you should not write your real name. because there is every possibility of becoming partiality towards any student. So that possibility is there. That is why we are instructed not to ask the students to write their real name. So XYZ ward member. Ward member. Then names of two other villagers, you can 2 or 3 other villagers you can write. Harihar Das, Narayan Pradhan, and other villagers. Now the completion of writing application is over. Now the application is completely written. So like this you will have to write the application. Now before that I would like to tell you that I will send you a photocopy of this application online, and you will have to write that application on your own from the video. From the photocopy you will have to write the application, a real photocopy or the photocopy of a model application on this topic. I will send you. You will take the practical help of that and take it down from the mobile. That's all. Thank you.